Hello and good morning. Let's take a look at this to find volume. And by the way, we're in week 3-4. Okay, so it's going to be 4 times pi times the radius cubed. And so divide it by 3 would be the last thing you do. So here, the radius is not 8. So if you put 8, you did the diameter and you're going to miss it. The radius is actually 4. So you want to put 4. Now there's a key on here that you can raise it to the power, like right there, the XY key. But if you don't have that, you can just go 4 times 4 times 4 times 3.4 times another 4. Press equals, divide by 3, I get a volume of 267. Remember, this is going to be cubic inches because it's volume. This one right here, number 2, volume is just length times width times height. So that's 24 times 4, 96 cubic inches. And then finally, this last one, to get volume, you're going to multiply all 3 of these, but since it comes to a point, you have to divide by 3. So it's 4 times 2 times 10, which is the height, but it comes to a point. So it's going to be 80 divided by 3. And I get 26.6 or 26.7 cubic inches. And there it is. And that's how you do volume. Remember, you will have a test this weekend on surface area and volume. Make sure you're paying attention. Look up here, surface area of a box. On a new sheet of paper, copy this down. Draw a parallelogram, and then draw another one right on top of it, like that. And then connect the vertices. Okay, there's something called a net. A net is where you open this up. Okay, not like a hairnet. Like if you cut it here and fold it down, you would have the bottom like this. Then you would have this side. You would have this side. And then over here you might have a side here. And then over here you might have 2. Like that. Because this one's going to fold up. This one's going to be the top. It's going to fold on top. So you can draw a net a lot of different ways. But what we're going to do is find surface area. Surface area is not volume, but it's the surface. It's everywhere you can touch. It's the skin. So we're going to put some numbers in here. 5, 3, and 7. So the bottom here is 5 times 3. In the top is the same as the bottom, so you're going to multiply by 2. Plus, then you're going to do the right side. It doesn't matter what order you do it in. The right side is 7 times 3, but the left side is the same as the right side, so that's going to be times 2. All of these are going to be times 2, and then you got the front. The front is actually right here, and that's 7 right here. Okay, make sure you know that. So 7. So the front is 5 times 7, and then times 2. And if you multiply this and add it to each one of these, you'll have your answer. And that's how you do surface area. Okay? Let me let you try one. So put try, and then draw a rectangle, shift it over, draw another rectangle, connect it like that, and then put some numbers in here. Let's make this 2, 4, and 6. Okay, figure out the surface area. All right, I'm going to start with the bottom. The bottom is 2 times 4. That's the bottom. The top is the same, so multiply by 2. The right side is 6 times 4, and the left side is the same, so 6 times 4. And then finally, the front, that's a 6 right here. So the front is 2 times 6. And you have 2 of these. So you want to multiply by 2. add all that up. So this is 8 times 2 is 16. So that's going to be 16 plus 24 times 2 is 48. 12 times 2 is 24. Add that up. So you get 16 plus 48